This is a 3M respirator. It normally comes with these kinds of filters for vapor. These are disposable, but they're in short supply right now, which is why I created this, the FilterCage. It's a 3D printed, reusable filter cage that houses disposable filters. These filters are made by us, and they're made of multiple layers. A layer of organic compressed cotton, 2 layers of furnace filter rated for MERV 13, also MPR 2500 and a PM rating of 2.5, followed by another layer of organic compressed cotton. What you'll also find is a seal. There's a stair-step design seal on each of these. You can see the ring around the edge where the filter is actually compressed within it. What you'll find is 0 air leak from either around the bottom when contacted to the mask, and also 0 air leak around the sides. All of the air gets pulled straight through the filter. So anyone working at a hospital that has a 3M respirator or a respirator that uses one of these kinds of attachments, our filter cages will work for you. The main benefit is that at the end of the day, this can be sterilized, the filter can be removed and replaced with a brand new one. If you're interested in purchasing either the filter cages or the filters themselves, please feel free to reach out to us. Below you'll find both our contact information as well as pricing for both the filters and the filter cages.